we don't know that their granddaughter loves Christmas lights and it's the most magical time of year for her granddaughter, and we don't know that, then how the hell can we sell to it instead of selling freaking lights of, we do these bulbs and we make sure they're at the peak and blah, 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 spew, 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 spew. She don't care about the peak bulb. She don't care about anything except the amazing look on her granddaughter's face that you never got it out of there, right? So when I do follow up 3, 5, 15 times, Julia, well, if that's the granddaughter's name, Julia's going to love these Christmas lights. Do you think Julia would like warm white or color, right? It's not about you. Quit making it about you. Quit making it about you. Make it about your customer. So I went to the CPA today, the thing that we all hate, and we got talking on this right here, and he made a perfect sense. Sell and do the lights as if it's your mom. Treat people like it's your mom, right? And when you treat people like it's your mom, guess what? People will buy from you. People will get stuff done from you. It's important that we sell that, right? How would you treat your mom? Would you be okay the way you treat people that they would be treating your mom that way? Answer that question for me. Would you be okay of you treating the way you treat some of your customers like you would want your mom to be treated? And if the answer is no, you need to take a long look hard at what you're doing, right? And so these are important questions that you need to ask and figure out so you know. Jason, how do you find HOA presidents?